In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo in Google Flow. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to create a new project or open an existing one. So I'm just going to click on New Project over here, and it's going to open up like this. Now, to actually add a photo, there's two ways to do this. The first one is going to be to actually click on the plus button down here at the bottom inside this chat, and you can go to Images and click on Upload Media. That's the first way to do it. And the second one is going to be to go to the top right, click on Add Media, and then click on Upload Media from here. When you do so, you want to find your image, so I'm just going to pick this one over here, which is a random image of a shirt design with my logo. I'm going to click on it and click on Open, and when you do this, it's going to start loading in here, and when this number reaches 100% over here, it's going to be uploaded successfully, and your photo will be added inside your Google Flow account, just like this, okay? So it's now inside the project. So if you want to add a new one, you can just go and click on the plus button and repeat the same process. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.